All right. So I made it here to Florida. And this is pretty much everything you need to get started in short and radio control short course truck racing. I bought a TLR SCT E 3.0. And this is just the kit. So you need to buy all the electrics and everything. And I want to be like kind of competitive right from the start. So here's the motor, Hobbywing XE Run 3660 censored. Here's the speed control. Here's the receiver. Here's the radio. I got the DX5C. Charging cables, transponder to count the laps. You need 2 batteries, 2-cell LiPo. These are 8,600 milliamps, but I think you only need like 7,000 milliamp batteries to race with, but I got some with a little more juice. Servo, Savox. I was told this is a good one. And tires, which are also very expensive. And then you need to buy paint for the body. And then you need tire glue. And then you also need these specific wrenches. Well, they're just easier to do. You also need Loctite, and you need a digital caliper. So this is gonna be my first time putting a car together. Yeah, we'll see how long it takes.